XRP Bitboy Crypto. This is the most shocking Ripple news ever. A personal finance influencer, investor, and a crypto enthusiast named Ben Armstrong is back by popular demand. You might know him as Bitboy Crypto from his popular YouTube channel, which combined with his other platforms made him one of the most sought-after figures in the crypto world. So, Bitboy just recently made some shocking revelations about Ripple and XRP that you don't want to miss out on. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about some shocking news about XRP. So, what exactly did Bitboy say? Is this going to have an impact on the price of XRP? Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the latest cryptocurrency news, then you're in the right place. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
As you guys might have noticed, a number of crypto tokens have surged astronomically, and at the same time, they are nearing the bottom of the top 100. Similarly, XRP is the coin that is currently in the top 20. Now, the question is, what is making XRP soar so much? Is the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit about to end? Another probable theory that has been going around is that folks are trying to get ahead of the price of XRP in preparation for the massive momentum wave that is going to come pretty soon. Now, Bitboy has a lot to say about this probable theory. According to him, if you believe a 7% pump is the major thing that we are waiting for in XRP, I've got a bridge to nowhere to sell you, because that's not what's going on right now. We are going to see XRP continue to move if the SEC action isn't resolved quickly. Yes, without a doubt, it is a digital currency. It's among the top 10. XRP will continue to move in lockstep with market consolidations. If you recall, we talked about the SBI story in Japan a while back and how numerous exchanges in the East are now starting to offer XRP. Well, it takes time for that stuff to actually kick in. That's a lot to digest, right guys? So, Bitboy went on to say that when a Bitcoin ETF is announced, there will almost certainly be two major waves. We will have one wave, which will be the news and enthusiasm. Then there will be a third wave, which is a result of the first wave having an ETF. When an ETF is ultimately implemented and people or institutions are able to invest in it, we can expect Bitcoin's price to rise. As a result, we will see two distinct waves. That is exactly what we are witnessing with Ripple's XRP at the moment. All of these exchange listings were obtained by us. We got Ripple to move into the APAC region or Asian Pacific region, but we haven't seen those things in action yet. We watched the excitement that accompanied it, but we didn't get to see the actual impact of the new XRP liquidity that exists in Asia. That is exactly what we are witnessing right now. Even if the SEC case doesn't get concluded in the bull market, which is a 0% chance, we will still see XRP move and pump. So that's what we are witnessing at the moment. That's why we are seeing XRP start to take off and gain traction. For those of you who didn't know, cryptocurrency ETFs make it just as easy to invest in Bitcoin as it is to buy popular stocks. There are now several cryptocurrency-themed ETFs out there, and that number continues to grow. However, it is important to know that these ETFs charge high management fees. Moving on, another major piece of news that has been going around is that in an unexpected turn of events, Ripple has revealed plans to build a liquidity hub. This is most likely going to happen in early 2022 with the goal of providing corporations with direct access to digital assets from the broader crypto market. The San Francisco-based company stated in a press release recently that the hub will unleash the access to deep liquidity within markets, speeding the migration to crypto, despite the fact that numerous exchanges provide liquidity to consumers. Through direct crypto trading services, the company stated that a true crypto-first liquidity hub for business was still lacking, prompting the move. The Ripple Liquidity Hub will be intended as a turnkey solution, allowing institutions to start doing business with a single button press. As a result, the hub's business model will be based on smart order routing, allowing it to obtain digital assets at the cheapest price, allowing its consumers from exchanges, market makers, and OTC desks. Customers will be able to buy, hold, and sell digital assets through the Liquidity Hub that will function more like an exchange. This comes as Ripple continues to fight the SEC versus Ripple long-running legal battle with the hopes that Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States, will relist XRP. According to Ripple Labs, the Liquidity Hub aims to eliminate the challenges faced by businesses looking to get into the digital investment business, such as resource investment integrations by providing a streamlined application programming interface that will handle all the work without adding unnecessary costs. As it prepares to add more digital assets to the category, Ripple Liquidity Hub will initially offer Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP in its first phase. This addition, on the other hand, will be determined by the jurisdiction. Ripple also added that it intends to add other features such as staking and yielding in the future. While Ripple has been employing a similar crypto sourcing technology to support on its demand liquidity, this is the first time that the Liquidity Hub will provide customers direct access to other crypto assets. Ripple Net GM Ashish Birla said, praising the action, "We'll realize full well the necessity for easy and effective liquidity management. Cryptocurrencies and financial institutions are part of our DNA. As a result, it's only natural that our customers would want access to the same trusted stop shop for buying, trading, and keeping crypto assets that has propelled our own substantial work with financial institutions as they prepare for a crypto-first future." Ripple will launch the alpha version of the product in collaboration with CoinMe, the first US licensed Bitcoin ATM manufacturer, in the hopes of adding more features in the future. Moreover, in addition to the high XRP buying activity observed on the Binance crypto exchange, anonymous wallets are moving enormous volumes of cash amongst themselves. According to the Whale Alert tracking service, 2 anonymous wallets transferred more than $70 million worth of XRP to each other just about 2 hours ago. Another transaction on the XRP blockchain occurred 1 minute later. The wallet moved more than $70 million in XRP once again. No transfers worth $140 million or $70 million have been done recently, according to the top exchange wallets, implying that the individual making such transactions had no intention of selling them unless it was OTC sales. Did you guys know that OTC trades are typically completed with the assistance of a third party? The said third party basically oversees the procedure in order to keep both parties secure and ensure that their monies are correctly transferred. The transfer, however, was performed directly from one wallet to another in the previously mentioned situation. While some investors utilize cryptocurrency exchanges to buy XRP in plain sight, others employ secret wallets to move significant sums of money. According to Whale Alert, this wallet brought $15.7 million worth of XRP on the Binance exchange and transferred new assets to the private wallet address nearly instantly. After recent 11.6% pullback from the local high, the price of XRP has risen by 3.5%. In addition, a bunch of predictions by the experts and analysts on XRP say that Ripple is currently going in a positive direction according to the market consensus. CoinCode's XRP price research shows 27 indicators producing optimistic indications and 1 negative signal. According to Digital Coin's analysis, the coin price will average $2.17 in 2022 and $3.94 in 2025. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about Shiba Inu, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. You should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for constructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about Bitboy's revelations. Do you own any XRP or would you consider buying some? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.